Imagine waking up one day staring at your bank account and realizing you're trapped. The money's tight, the debt's climbing, and your dreams on hold. Scary, right? But here's the good news. Financial freedom isn't reserved for the lucky few. It's a formula, a strategy, and today I'm handing you the blueprint. By the end of this video, you'll have 10 life-changing financial lessons that could make the difference between a life of struggle and a life of wealth and security. But here's the catch. Miss just one of these, and it could set you back years. So, let's dive in. The struggle and awakening one. The broke mindset is more dangerous than being broke. What if I told you that the real reason most people stay broke isn't a lack of money, but a lack of mindset? It's how you think about money that determines whether you attract it or repel it. Ever heard someone say, money is the root of all evil? Ignorance about money is the root of all struggle. Shift your perspective, and you shift your entire future. 2. Your bank account is a reflection of your habits. Want to see your financial future? Look at your last 10 purchases. Were they investments in your growth or impulse buys? Every dollar is a soldier, either fighting for your wealth or marching you into financial ruin. The secret? Mastering the art of conscious spending. 3. Debt isn't the enemy. Ignorance about debt is not all debt is bad, but bad debt is a silent thief. Credit cards, high-interest loans, they feed off your future. But good debt, that's an investment. Think of real estate, business loans, or education. Things that increase in value. The goal isn't to avoid debt, but to control it. Quick question. What's something you bought on credit that you instantly regretted? Let me know in the comments. 4. The real cost of lifestyle creep. You get a raise and suddenly you need a nicer car, better clothes, more expensive nights out. It's called lifestyle inflation, and it's the reason even high earners stay broke. The solution? Treat every raise like it never happened. Invest the difference and watch your wealth multiply. 5. Multiple streams of income. Our no longer option alone income stream is financial Russian roulette. What happens if that job disappears? Wealthy people don't rely on one paycheck. They create multiple cash flows, side hustles, investments, online businesses. Start with one and build from there. The transformation and momentum 6. The 24-hour rule for big purchases. Ever made a quick decision buy and then regretted it? There's a reason stores push limited time offers. The solution? Wait 24 hours. If you still need it, buy it. If not, you just saved yourself from financial regret. 7. Investing isn't just for rich people. Here's a brutal truth. If you're not investing, you're losing money. Inflation eats away at your cash every year. Stocks, index funds, real estate, these aren't just for millionaires. Start with as little as $50 and let compound interest do its magic. And if you think investing is too risky, consider this. Keeping your money in a savings account is actually a guaranteed way to lose purchasing power. 8. The power of automation. Want a foolproof way to save money? Make it automatic. Set up auto transfers to your savings and investments before you even see the money. Out of sight, out of spending range. 9. Networking is a cheat code for wealth. You've heard it's not what you know, it's who you know. But here's the twist. The right connections can shortcut years of struggle. Want to level up? Surround yourself with people who are already where you want to be. Their mindset, habits, and opportunities will rub off on you. The grand finale in CTA 10. Time is your most valuable asset, not money. Here's something schools never taught us. You can always make more money, but time, once it's gone, it's gone. Wealth isn't just about dollars, it's about freedom. The ability to do what you want, when you want, with whom you want. That's the real goal. And if you've watched this far, you're already ahead of 99% of people. You're aware. But awareness without action? That's just entertainment. So here's what I want you to do next. Pick one lesson from this video and apply it today. Then comment below which one you chose. And if you're serious about building wealth and freedom, hit that subscribe button. Because the next video, it's going to be even bigger. See you there.